Qual é a diferença, por favor?
Traduzir para ela. Alguém pode traduzir aí?
What is the difference?
So Sutta Goswami, because he's saying first question is what is the ultimate benefit of his life, and second question is how to be happy in his life. So what is it? But she is asking me to explain a little bit more.
First question what? Our first question is Shreya. What is the Shreya in our life? Shreya, yesterday Shreya, there is absolutely truth and love and absolutely truth in our life. Two words is saying in our Shastra. One is called Shreya, another is called Priya. When Shreya this word coming, then automatically Priya this word coming. Priya this word, Priya means own sense gratifications. That is called the Priya. You like in this material world many kinds of sense gratification. That is called Priya. Understand? Priya means which your own sense gratification. That is called Priya. A Shreya, that is a direct connected with Krishna and soul. That is called the Shreya. You understand that? Shreya means that is called the related with Krishna and Krishna Bhakta. Krishna and Krishna Bhakta and Krishna and also Atma. Related with Atma. So what things are related with our Atma? Krishna Bhakti. Krishna Bhakti, this is our aim and object. That is called Shreya Vastu. A Priya Vastu, that means which are love according to our own sense gratification. That is called Priya Vastu. Wife, children, wealth, money, cats, dogs, animals. That is called your Priya Vastu. That is called Priya Vastu. Understand? Priya Vastu. This is. And this Priya Vastu, that is called temporary and changeable. Everything in the material world, that is a relationship with our body and mind, that is called Priya. Sense gratification. And that is changeable and also always giving all kinds of distress and unhappiness. And everything so in this material world, what is saying, this is called giving the distress and unhappiness. Wealth is the perpetual source of all kinds of distress and unhappiness. All kinds of wealth, many sampad. Everything is also giving the distress and unhappiness. You love one car. The car, after a few days, few months, few years, the car will give problem. Lot of problem will come. Understand? So this Priya Vastu, that is that is always giving the distress and unhappiness. A Shreya Vastu, that is called the Atma and Krishna. So this Shastra saying this sloka, Shreya and Priyascha. Two words is there, Shreya and Priya. So here, what is the given answer? Sukdev Goswami Path. What is called? Sutta Goswami Path. That is called the Bhagavad Dharma. Bhagavad, if you practice the Bhagavad Dharma, that is called the Shreya. And Bhagavad Dharma, understand? Bhagavad Dharma, that is called the Shreya Vastu. Except Bhagavad Dharma, everything that is called and Priya. So Bhagavad Dharma is there. Srimad Bhagavatam also 11th controversy. What is the Bhagavad Dharma? Bhagavad Dharma means Krishna direct, he gave some instruction to Uddhava about Atma and Paramatma. That relationship is called the Bhagavad Dharma. Who remember? They remember the definition of Bhagavad Dharma? No one. 11th canto. 11th canto this. That is saying which is related with Krishna and Krishna Bhakti. Very nice, beautiful this sloka. And that is the 11th canto. When Krishna and Uddhav conversation. Uddhav he asked about what is the meaning of Bhagavad Dharma. So just I remember to this definition. Krishna he gave his own definition. What is the meaning of Bhagavad Dharma? You can internet, you can search. 11th canto there. That is called Bhagavad Dharma. So that is called the Shreya. Without practicing Bhagavad Dharma, everything is called Priya. So Bhagavad Dharma, this is called Shreya. That means everybody have to take shelter Srimad Bhagavatam. Understand? Our second question is that Javai Bhagavata Prukta Anja Pungsam Jab Bhavati Hitan. This is this sloka. This Srimad Bhagavatam, 11th canto, the conversation between Uddhav and Krishna. What is the number sloka? 11th canto. 11th canto, 2nd chapter, verse 34. If anybody asks, what is the Bhagavad Dharma? Bhagavad Dharma, Krishna himself gives some instruction to Uddhava. That is called, that's called Bhagavad Dharma. What the meaning? Read the meaning. Okay.
Even ignorant living entities can very easily come to know the Supreme Lord if they adopt those means prescribed by the Supreme Lord himself. The process recommended by the Lord is to be known as Bhagavad Dharma, or devotional service to the Supreme Personality of Godhead.
Fala português.
Obrigado. Até mesmo entidades vivas. Peraí, só um minuto. Agora vai. Até mesmo entidades vivas ignorantes podem facilmente conhecer o Senhor Supremo se eles adotarem aquilo que foi prescrito pela Suprema Personalidade de Deus. O processo recomendado pelo Senhor é conhecido como Bhagavad Dharma, ou serviço devocional à Suprema Personalidade de Deus.
So now coming in the second question is that how our soul Atma will be happy. Savai pungsang jato savai pungsang paro dharmo jato bhakti adukkhai ahituki aparidhyata jatma samprasiddhati. If you practice the devotional service to Krishna, adukkhai Krishna, then your Atma soul will be happy. Because the spontaneous nature of the soul to serve to Krishna Bhakti. Krishna Bhakti. So, Savai Pungsang Paro Dharma Jato Bhakti Adukkhai Ahituki Apratihata Jatma Samprasiddhati. The Bhakti should be two things is there. Ahituki and Apratihata. Two kinds of bhakti. Okay. Hetu bhakti, another is called ahitu bhakti. With cause, without cause. And servitual mood coming two ways. With cause. With cause is what? for the own sense gratification, people serve to Lord also. That is called Hetu Bhakti. Hetu Bhakti is coming in this. Hetu means cause. But one thing is that when Hetu cause finish, then Bhakti also finish.
No more service.
Huh? Understand this? No service.
No more service.
Huh?
No more service.
You are asking, give me wealth, money, wife, children. Huh? People are there. Also people, they worship to Lord also. Huh? That kinds of bhakti is called Hetu Bhakti. Huh? Most of the people, 99% people, they practice bhakti for own sense gratification. Huh? If you have anything happen, you will practice bhakti or not? No. If you not get the attached bathroom, well, I will not stay here. Chalo, hoiga bhakti. What is the bhakti? That means that is for your own sense gratification. Huh? Bhakti, actually this word that is called ahituki and apratiyata. Suddha bhakti, pure devotion service, not depend on anything. That is use the two adjectives here. Ahituki and apratihata. Ahituki, without reason. And the cause is coming, you are servicing, that is called Hetumula Bhakti. Understand this? And Dhruva Maharaj, he performed bhakti. Why did he bhakti? Why did he chant the Lord's this mantra, Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudeva? Why did he leave his house? Main reason is what? That time you are not thinking, but inside the dormant way, that does mood inside there. Why have you come here? Tell to me.
Love you. Many reasons, Gurudev. Many
If reason coming, that is not the bhakti, Suddha Bhakti. If you think only I have come from to serve Guru and Krishna and only one Krishna Bhakti, that is called the Suddha Bhakti. Otherwise, you will come. I have come here to defend defense and ways. In Navadvip Parikrama, Vrindavan Parikrama, many devotees are coming. 1 year they are also chatting to each other. Chatting, understand? No? Are Facebook chatting. They did not see to each other. Okay, you are coming? Navadvip Parikrama. Well, I am coming. So both were coming, then making, what is that?
Date.
Okay.
Date.
Boyfriend, girlfriend, that. No more Radha, no more. No more Radha?
Namorado.
No more Radha. This is parikrama or not?
Main reason of parikrama.
This is not the reason for parikrama. They come in parikrama, this is true. But they also do parikrama. This is. But that parikrama is main reason is how to meet with boyfriend, girlfriend. So this bhakti, this types of parikrama, dham parikrama, this is bhakti. But what the main reason have you come? What the reason? That bhakti is called Sakam Bhakti, Hetu Mula Bhakti. Many reasons, Misra Bhakti, Aishwarya Mula Bhakti, many bhakti name coming. Dhruv Maharaj, he left his house. And he performed hard austerity, chanted also this mantra, everything. But what is the main reason? He wanted to sit on the lap of his father. Then his stepmother stopped. Then he became very angry. Understand? He's thinking, I will do, okay, I will do bhajan and sadhana. Main reason is what this for this. For the Dhruva Maharaj is called Sakam Bhakta. He performed practice devotional service to Lord with material desires. For this, Lord also saying that first giving his all his material desire, fulfill his desires. Take this. And काम लागी कृष्ण भजे पाय कृष्ण रसे काम त्याजी होय मजे कृष्ण रसे चैतन्य चैतामृत अकामो सर्वकामो मोक्ष कामो उदारधि तीव्रेन भक्ति जो जेन जजते पुरुष पराम. Anyhow you practice devotional service to Lord, that is called bhakti. But when you deeply analyze what is the pure devotional service to Lord, Suddha Bhakti. Suddha Bhakti is two, what is called? Adjectives are saying. What is the two adjectives? Ahituki or apratihata. It is saying, Sabai Pungsang Paro Dharma Jato Bhakti Adukhaji. Ahituki or apratihata. Ahituki here is there. No hetu. There are no reason. But without reason, anything not happen. Cause and effect theory everywhere. What do you say? Cause and effect. Karja and Karan. Do you understand it? Cause and effect. There is called Karja Karan everywhere. But here he say bhakti should be applied only Vishnu, not any demigod and demigoddess. And that bhakti is called ahituki and apratihata. I serve to Krishna. Why? For Krishna's pleasure. Krishnarthe akhil chesta parayan or Krishnarthe akhil bhogat tag. All my endeavor is exclusive pleasure for Krishna's sense gratification. That is called Krishnarthe akhil chesta parayan or Krishnarthe akhil bhogat tag. I will give up all my sense gratification for the pleasure of Krishna. Two things are. Bhakti two, these things are explained. Krishnarthe akhil chesta parayan. That is the perfect example of gopis. Topmost example. Gopis, all their activities, that is called the exclusive pleasure for Krishna's sense gratification. How Krishna will be happy. They serve to Krishna with their body, mind and speech for the Krishna's pleasure. When you giving the example, highest example, Subal they also serve. Nanda, Jasoda, they also serve. But when you discuss Madhurya Bhakti, Pramurti, the gopis, they are the perfect example. And understand, one day, yesterday I told, Subal Sridham, they also serve to Krishna, a relationship. Krishna is my friend. Nanda, Jasoda, they serve to Krishna. Krishna is my son. This is my duty. Come in. Parental mood coming in this way. But gopis, they serve to Krishna. What the reason? What the relationship with gopis and Krishna? Why gopis they love to Krishna? There are no reason. Because they are loving after this. Sahaj Siddha. Spontaneous this is. That is not dependent on it. So bhakti that should be and ahituki. Or apratihata means instant, incessantly uninterrupted. Going this way, without stopping, going. Give an example. If you drop the honey from the jar, making one line, straight going this. So bhakti should be there. Because all these examples they are giving the highest example. So Atma, here means Atma means Krishna. Sabai Pungsang Paro Dharma Jato Bhakti Adukhaji. Ahituki or apratihata. Jo Atma Sampradaya. Atma means the Krishna how will be pleased. Or Atma means also and soul. If Krishna will please, you will also please. Or you will please, then Krishna also please. Because Atma and Paramatma, soul and super soul, Bhakta and Bhagavan, they are interrelated to each others. You understand? Eh? Bhagavan and Bhakta, or Bhakta and Bhagavan, both are interrelated to each other. And if you serve to Lord, you serve to Krishna, you will be happy. Or if you serve to Krishna, Krishna will be happy. This is the nature. Mother Jasoda, she served to Krishna. Krishna is happy or not? Krishna is happy. Or Mother Jasoda happy. But here sometimes also Devi, Bhakti dos and Abhyakti dos coming. Bhakti dos or Ati Bhakti dos. Under extension rule and over extension rule. Under extension rule coming is the Mother Jasoda. She service. She stopped to Krishna to feed her breast milk. Krishna not happy. Though external we see, Krishna is not happy with Mother Jasoda. But this is bhakti. Understand? This is bhakti. Over extension rule and Adibhyakti dos is coming and Chanur Mustik. Though Krishna is very happy with wrestling with Chanur Mustik. Krishna is very happy. Understand? But Chanur Mustik, that the bhakti, this is not bhakti. Because Chanur Mustik, their aim and object not to give pleasure to Krishna. Their aim and object how to kill to Krishna. So this is not bhakti. So for this regard, though Krishna is happy, that is not bhakti. Bhakti's first definition is saying this way. Anna vilasita sunnam jnana karmadhanabritam anukullena krishnanu silanam bhaktira uttama. Uttama bhakti is saying this. But here also Chanur Mustik wrestling with Krishna. Krishna also wrestling with Chanur Mustik. Krishna is very enthusiastic. Wrestling with Chanur Mustik. Krishna is very happy. Though Krishna is happy, this is not bhakti. Why? Because Chanur Mustik, their aim and object not give pleasure to Krishna. Everything depends on you are servicing what is your what is your goal? Why? Question coming this question mark. You are servicing what reason? Because always saying this cause and effect theory. Karja and Karan. This coming or not? Karja and Karan. Karja, so cause and effect theory coming this. But when this cause and effect theory to come to the gopis, there is no reason. Gopis, they love to Krishna. Why? Just I told. Subal Siddham, they love to Krishna. This is the relationship. Friendship. This is the duty of friends to serve to each other. Parents, they are also duty to serve their children. Understand? But gopis, they serve to Krishna. What the reason? What the relationship with gopis and Krishna? Why? There are no reason. Krishna, I love Krishna. Why? They never inquire. They never inquire. Oh, Krishna has beauty, Krishna has many qualifications. No. Just spontaneous love and affection with Krishna. Krishna has 64 qualifications. For the gopis, they love to Krishna. You cannot say this one. If Krishna has no qualification, gopis, they will love or not? Yes. They will love. Because gopis, they are Krishna's antaranga sakti, internal potency, and this also is a nature. This is the thing. So bhakti to two qualifications. Savai pungsang paro dharma जतो भक्ति अरुक्ष अहितुकी और अप्रतिहता जात्मा संप्रसिद्धति है। These are things also. Understand or not? Golo Vrindavan Vihari. First question depends on how to practice the Bhagavad Dharma. That is. Or second, how our Atma and Paramatma would be pleased. This is our aim. Second question is explained the jiva's spontaneous nature to have to serve to Krishna. But in this verse also says Sabai Pungsang Paro Dharma. Here use this word Pungsang. What is it? Pungsang means Purusakal. But that means conditional soul means what? The Purus Abhiman. Purus Abhiman, understand? What the Purus Abhiman? I am the enjoyer. You are male person or female person, this is not the subject. And everybody is conditional soul. So they Sabai Pungsang Purusaka. Yeah, Purus means that you got conditional soul, Baddha Jivas. Or Baddha Jiva conditional soul, this is a symptom always. And I am the doer. I want to control. If you are male or female, all you are thinking, female thinking, wife thinking, I control my husband. Or husband thinking, I control my wife. Purus Abhiman coming. Understand? Yeah, Purus Abhiman means this way, I have to control it. And I am the enjoyer. Bhakta Abhiman. Remember this. And Bhakta Abhiman, I am the enjoyer. One is called enjoyer, another is called enjoyee. Suddha Jivatma, pure soul nature, that is called, I am the enjoyee. Only Krishna is called the supreme enjoyer. Do you understand? Even Srimati Radhika, she is what is she? She is also enjoying. Akela, so saying this way, Akela Purush Krishna are Sabhritta Jare Joi Chena Chai Toi Chekare Nitta. Akela Purush, only Purush and supreme enjoyer, Krishna. So Krishna is called Visay Vigraha. What is called? Visay Vigraha, object of the divine love. Visay Vigraha, Krishna. Except Krishna, everybody is called Asray Vigraha, shelter of the divine love. Gaudiya Siddhanta always saying this way. One is called Visay Vigraha or Asray Vigraha. This thing. Only Prema's Vivarta Dasadin, Srimati Radhika, that mood is different. That is called Prema's different things. So Krishna is called supreme enjoyer. Except Krishna, everybody is called enjoyee. And so Atma Dharma is what? Serve to Krishna. Jiver Sarup Bhai, Krishna Dev. Always one philosophy, always we are again and again repeating. This is that. Srimati Radhika, she is not Jiva Tattva, she is Parikar Tattva. But she is very humble. How to, always thinking how to serve to Krishna. Krishna Sukh Hetu, Gopi Sab Kare Lok Vyavahar. You know, Chaitanya Chandra. Krishna Sukh Hetu, Gopis, all their activities, social pleasure for Krishna sense. So Krishna Sukh Hetu, Gopi Sab Kare Lok Vyavahar. Lok Vyavahar means worldly behavior. Gopis, they become very angry with Krishna. Why Krishna? Gopis, but Srimati Radhika is angry with Krishna. Krishna's pleasure, not other things. All the activities. So this thing also explained Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad in a very nice, beautiful book. What is name? Hey, Are Phala, Prema Sampud Grantha. Everybody read, very nice. Beautiful that Grantha. What is called? Prema Samput. Sri Krishna himself appeared in the form of young girl. They called Devangana. And Krishna himself asked to Srimati Radhika, if you love to Krishna, why are you angry with him? Love means is not so, it should not angry. Love always give the pleasure. Understand? Love is love. There is no any words or alternative words. Love is love. And prem is prem. Prem not giving any kinds of distress and unhappiness to each other. Love always is giving the love. But when you deeply analyze, love means is also L-O-V-E. What is the love? Lake of tears. Even your material love also lake of tears. If you love someone, too much. Understand? Tears coming down. Every second, every moment. Mind disturbed. You understand? Even transcendental world, Srimati Radhika, she loves to Krishna. And if Krishna little bit late to come in the Kunja of Srimati Radhika thinking maybe Krishna, he went where? Chandravali's Kunja. Automatically, love this medicine. And so for this regard, one Sanskrit slok explain, just love prem bandhuna amangalani, bandhunang amangalani. If you love someone, always what? Inauspiciousness coming in your mind. Inauspicious, nothing happened. Inauspiciousness coming. So maybe this, nothing happened. Your son every day return back from school. What time? Okay, 4 o'clock. But if one day it is little bit late, then your mind will be disturbed. Why my son is not returned back? Maybe something happened. Maybe car accident. Maybe my son fever. Maybe there many things also coming. Nothing happened. Maybe your son has come in your house and he is playing in front of your park. Understand? You did not see that. But your son is playing the cricket ball. Football, he say. In the park. Sometimes baby are very naughty. Not going to the after school. When school finish, then direct going to the park. Sometimes baby are naughty or not. And put his all these things and playing with his friends. Or your parents say, why my son is not coming? Then again he called the school principal. Yeah, what happened? My son is not coming. No, your son has gone. And the bus, already school bus, already dropped your son in front of your house. Record is there, everything is there. But she said, why? My son is not coming. Maybe again she also called the police. Oh, maybe my son kidnapped by something. This many inauspicious. Then finally find out his son is his son. In the park. So that Sanskrit where is the love, even the material love, always create the inauspiciousness. Amangalani. Chaitanya Charitamrita mentioned this sloka also. A transcendental world, also these types of. If Krishna would not come on time in the Kunja of Srimati Radhika, then Srimati Radhika mind very disturbed. Oh, maybe Krishna he went the Kunja of Chandravali. Look at this. And many kinds of inauspiciousness coming in this. Love means this. And tears will be down. So for this regard, material love, also transcendental love means this way. Look like same, but transcendental love only transcendental or material love, material. Jada prem. Huh? But look like same. Huh? Understand? If your wife speak with another person, then your mind will disturb. Why my wife speaking this guy? Huh? Or if your husband to speak with another girl, why my husband is speaking to other girl? Are nothing happened. But always yours. What is called? Yes. What is called? Sandhya. Doubt. What is called? Huh? Suspicion will come. Nothing happened. But mind disturbed.
Suspeita.
Huh? Huh? Many things will come. The two are wrong. So love is the shelter. Huh? So love means the first L. L means lake of tears. Huh? Or L. O means ocean of sorrow. Crying and crying. Or B means valley of death. Mrityu ke ghat. Or E means end of life. Balavinda. Jai Jai Sri Ram. For this they are impartially they think no need to love. It is better merge in Brahma, no sukham asti, no dukham asti. Good or not? Impartialists, why they want to merge in Brahma? They are thinking if you love then big problem. So it is better merge in Brahma, no dukham asti, no sukham asti. There is no happiness or there is no distress. As like, and what is called? Jod Padartha, the stone. Coma. Coma, understand? Bolo Vrindavan Vihari Lal. Jai Jai Shri Ram.
Pega o mic alguém. Segurando o mic. Pega o mic desse. He's asking why the ladies are using veil over their head.
Huh?
He's asking why the ladies use a veil to cover their head when it needs to be used, and what is the spiritual benefit?
Try to understand this. This is called Vedic rules. Vedic rules is that ladies want best qualification, that is called shyness. Lajjahi narinang bhusanam. The best ornaments of the ladies, that is called the shyness. Lajjanang narinang bhusanam. Bhusan means ornaments. Understand? Prostitute, they have shyness or not? Stupid, nonsense. And they complete the shameless. So they are not in the categories of women. That is called unchaste of this. So try to understand this philosophy. Vedic philosophy always saying this way. So for this regard, ladies, they don't want to show their face to others. That is called Lajjanang Narina Bhusanam. That is the rules is there. Gopis always they cover their face with the veil. Gongut. Otherwise, everybody see your face, then there is no beauty, nothing. You understand or not? No need to understand.
Yes, I need to explain.
Nice day, Maharaj.
Cover hair also.
Huh?
But it's not the face, it's the hair.
But yeah.
But also like the hair, it's like a beauty of
Not covering the head.
Are you covering the head good?
And clothes also.
how to listen to Harikatha.
How to listen to Harikatha? Listen with the ears or the listen. She is speaking how to listen to Harikatha. Listen with your eyes or listen to Harikatha with your ears.
Put the ears out.
If shyness is why men also not cover the
Huh?
head. If shyness is one beautiful quality, why men
Are-
also not covering?
Huh?
Why men also not covering their head?
Hey, Bhagavan.
Nice day. Beautiful day.
Shyness is ornament for the lady or ornament for all men and women.
But mainly the ladies these days. Male also should be shy. Huh? But with the that is called. They meant to the ladies. So this is the thing. Huh? I don't know, some rules and regulation is there. Vedic rules and regulation is there. Huh? Everybody have to sigh. This is true. But ladies should be more. This is some rules and regulation is there. Ladies is our as like mothers. What is something? It is called. Mother is what a mother is. What is it just? Many times I'm saying that is the. No. You have hold this.
Yes.
Very nice, beautiful. This is the proverb.
No, Prabhu. Para tenerlo. Okay.
Just remember this. Huh? Okay, later I will tell. A very nice proverb is there.
What's the meaning?
That means in our Vedic culture, always give the respect to the ladies. If you not give respect to the ladies, their bhakti they will not manifest in your heart. Always give the respect to the ladies. Very nice. No, that is another is just little tell. This is the reason. And all our spiritual everything depend on mother. Mother is woman, woman is mother. And mother is woman, woman is mother. And Paranari Matrivat, you give the respect all the ladies as like your mother. Matrivat Samman. Understand? Who is our honorable person? Mother is the best honorable person. And if you not give the respect your mother, so how possible Bhakti Devi will manifest? Because Bhakti, this word also feminine gender. Gyan, that word that is called masculine gender. Understand? So Bhakti, that is called feminine gender. Bhakti always in the heart of the mother. You understand? Purush, male person, Bhakti, Seva, Vritti, there is a less. Or mother or female, their servicial mood is what? Higher than. Here the festival is going on. How many male persons are servicing, how person female are servicing? In the kitchen room? Hola Portuguese. Practical example you can see. Everywhere you can see. Ladies, they have spontaneous nature to serve Bhakti. Bhakti means a seva vritti. Bhakti words mean seva vritti. Spontaneous nature of the ladies in the heart to how to serve. You understand? especially in India with the ladies, they are not taking prasad and before the male person. Huh? Understand? And when male person will take prasad, then ladies taking prasad. They are whole, they are working, this everything they prepare, everything these things. Huh? But they taking prasad after the male. Huh? Look this. The servitual mood there. Because this Bhakti Devi, this word actual that is called female gender, feminine gender. Feminine gender or not? Eh? Servitual mood there. Bhakti means is what? Seva vritti. Eh? Understand? This spontaneous nature in the heart of the lady. Eh? How to serve. Seva vritti. Eh? I am not saying all the ladies, but most of the ladies, they are nature to servitual mood, seva vritti. I am not taking part the ladies or not taking part the male. But when you see Shastra saying this way, seva vritti there. All the day and night service in service. So Bhakti Devi this. So, Bolo Vrindavan Bihari Lal ki. What is it?
Krishna is Purusha, so the gopis are the expansion of Krishna because he's the Purusha.
Are gopis, they are Shakti Tattva. Krishna is called Shaktiman Tattva. Shakti and Shaktiman Tattva. If you first understand Krishna, what Tattva? You understand or not? Krishna, what Tattva? Fala, Portuguese. Fala. Then automatically your answer will come. Krishna Shaktiman, possessor of all the Shakti. Or Gopi, they are called Shakti Tattva. राधा पूर्ण शक्ति, कृष्ण पूर्ण शक्तिमान, दुई वस्तु भेद नहीं शास्त्र प्रमाण. There are no difference, but Krishna is called Shaktiman Tattva. Our Gopis, they are called Shakti Tattva. So try to understand. Shakti, nature to serve to Shaktiman. You understand or not? If you understand, then understand. Not understand, listen again and again.
She's asking about the gopis.
Huh?
The gopis.
Gopas, what are the Gopas?
Expansion of Krishna.
Are they also expansion? Also Gopas, they also serve to Krishna.
But they individual souls.
Huh?
Because Krishna is not Purusha, so the gopis has Krishna's expansion or individual souls.
So are they Subal Sridham? Who are they? Huh? They are expansion of Krishna. But they are always duty to serve to Krishna. Krishna only one Purush. Subal, Sridham, even Nanda, Jasoda, they serve to Krishna. Understand this? Everybody serve to Krishna. External, their body is your male body or female body. This is not the subject. Subject is that servitual mood. Seva vritti. So, Akela Purush Krishna. And Krishna he is enjoying from Nanda, Jasoda, that is called Vatsalya Rasa. Krishna enjoying. So, Krishna is called supreme enjoyer. Understand these things.
Aprakat Goloka Vrindavana, you told that no husband bodies, only in Gopi's mind we think that we have husbands, but no bodies of.
That is a joke. Bhava matra. Jogma she arranged this way. If I tell you, you will not understand. They are not sthul body they are there. Not gross body there. Jogma she creates these types of and conception in their mind. Chalo. Are chant, holy name, do bhajan and sadhan. Guru Vaishnava. Vrindavan Bihari Lal.